Welcome to this supplementary training video with AVLI. My name is Caitlin and I'm going to be outlining some of the basics about lighting to help you better understand your new lighting system. The topic of today's video is about DMX. I will be using ONYX by Obsidian to help explain how DMX works. But just so you know, DMX is a very widely used protocol that is not limited to ONYX by Obsidian. Now, if you've never heard of DMX before and are currently asking yourself what on earth it could be, it's essentially a digital language that lights use to communicate. It is officially referred to as DMX 512 and stands for Digital Multiplex. The signal cable used to connect lights to the control system is also referred to as DMX. To fully understand DMX, we need to address a few specific things about it, which are the following: universes, channels, personalities, and addresses. When you purchase an ONYX license, you are given a certain amount of universes. The default free ONYX license provides you with 4 universes. A universe has 512 channels in it, hence the name DMX 512. So with the free ONYX license, you have a total of 2,048 channels at your disposal. Other virtual lighting consoles will have different entry-level costs and features, and physical lighting consoles likely don't require a license key at all. But what do you use those channels for? Well, at a very basic level, one channel is equal to one parameter. A parameter could be intensity control, red control, blue control, green control, tilt control, pan control, just to name a few. These channels are set by inputting lights with particular personalities, which will depict what each channel in a personality is set to. For example, if I open the commands pop-up in ONYX and select new fixture and just open up any of these fixtures, you can see there are a few different options. There is a number associated which will tell you how many channels in your universe it will take up, as well as what each channel will control for that light. i.e., channel 1 is intensity control, channel 2 is red control, channel 3 is green control, and channel 4 is blue control, that sort of thing. Personalities can also be referred to as channel modes. They could be called 1 channel or 2 channel. Some lights even have specific names for their personalities. Either way, this window will show you the different personality options that you have when importing or patching a light. Once you've chosen your light and your personality, there is one more key piece of information that you need for your light to communicate with ONYX, and that is an address. Once I'm back in the patch bay, you can see on the right-hand side here that all of these lights have different addresses, starting at 1 and moving upwards. Since the Colorados are set to 7 channel mode, which is the personality that they have been set to, you can see that the first Colorado, address 1, takes up channels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, meaning that the next Colorado can start at channel 8, and it takes up channels 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So to recap, lights have personalities, which are made up of channels. Channels control different parameters. A universe can hold up to 512 channels, and a free license with ONYX comes with 4 universes. In order to make your lights communicate with ONYX, they need to be set to the corresponding personality and address that is set up for that specific fixture in ONYX. Colorado 1 would have its address set to 1 and its personality set to AR2Z, which is the name it has for the 7-channel mode. Those are the basics of DMX. If you have more questions about DMX, please feel free to contact AVLI for more information. You can visit our website at avli.ca or look in the description below for contact information.